Today we want to look at longitudes and local time. This is a topic that is in both mathematics and geography, more especially for students from Kenya and some other countries. So we want to look at longitude and local time. How does the longitude affect time? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. There are two important points you have to note. The first one is that places towards the east are ahead in time, and the places towards the west are behind in time. Okay, now look at the example one we have there. The example states the longitude of Nairobi is 37 degrees east and that of Accra is 0 degrees. If the time in Nairobi is 3 p.m., what is the local time in Accra? Now, the first thing we do is to find the longitude difference. Longitude difference. The longitude difference here will be what? We can say it is that 7 degrees minus 0. That of Nairobi is 37 and that of Accra is 0. So the difference here is what? That 7 degrees. That is the longitude difference. And we can convert the longitude difference to time. We know that 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. 15 degrees are equal to 1 hour. What about that 7 degrees? What do? Come and say that 7 over 15 times 1 hour. What do we get? 15 goes here 2 times because of that remains 7 over 15 hours. So 2 and 7 over 15 hours. That is the time difference. Okay, this is the same as 7 over 15 is the same as 2 hours and 28 minutes. Okay, so after we have found the time difference, then we can easily find the time in Accra. The time in Accra. This is how we do it. The time in Accra. So we understand from this very important notes I gave here that the places towards the east are ahead and the places towards the west are behind. So on the globe we understand that Accra is somewhere here and Nairobi is somewhere here. So this is Accra and this is Nairobi. So Nairobi is towards the east of Accra. It means it is ahead in time. And Accra is to the west. So what do we do to find the time of Accra? The time in Accra. The time in Accra we find it by subtracting this one. The one for Nairobi. 3 p.m. minus 2 hours and 28 minutes. In Nairobi is 3 p.m. The time in Nairobi is 3:00 p.m. and the time difference is 2 hours and 28 minutes. Somebody is saying that they have not understood that part of finding the time of Accra. So the easiest way is to convert this one to 24 hours clock system. The time in Nairobi, 3 p.m. is the same as 3 plus 12. So 3 p.m. the time in Nairobi is 15 hours in the 24-hour clock system. Now to find the time in Accra. To find the time in Accra is what? We minus 2 hours and 28 minutes. This will be 32. 14 minus 2, 12. So it can be like that. 12, that's 2 hours, or 12, that's 2 p.m. or noon. So that is the time in Accra. That's how we find the time in Accra. All right. Let us go to example 2. The time in town A, which is 45 degrees east, is 10:20 a.m. Find the local time in town B, which is 75 degrees east. It is very easy. So the first step is to find the longitude difference. Longitude difference. Longitude difference is, we subtract, because all of these are east. This one is, town A is in the east and the B is in the east of the longitude of the prime meridian. So we subtract 75 minus 45. So if we subtract 75 minus 45, what do we get? We get 30 degrees. So that is the longitude difference. After that, the second step, we convert the longitude difference to time. We understand that 1 hour, or rather let us start that 15 degrees are equal to 1 hour. What about 30 degrees are equal to what? This will be 30 over 15 times 1 times 1. So we will have 2 hours. 30 degrees are equal to 2 hours. From there, we can easily calculate the time in town B. From the prime meridian, we start with 0. So town A is somewhere here. Town A, because it is 45. Town A is somewhere here. Then town B is somewhere here. Now, and we said from our notes that the places towards the east are ahead in time. The places towards the east are what? Are ahead in time. So we have been told that at A it is 10:20 a.m. So what's the time at B? So we have to do what? Because B is ahead, we have to add. So we are finding time at B. Time at B, we will add 10:20 plus 2 hours. This will be 12. By doing so, you have calculated the time at B. We have added because B is towards the east of 3. The question states that the time in town X, which is 45 degrees west, is 8 a.m. Find the time in town T, which is 15 degrees west. So all the towns are in the west. So this is what we can do. Solution. We start with finding the time, the longitude difference. All of them are in the west. So what do? We subtract. This is west and this is west. So we subtract 45 minus 15. We will get 30 degrees. 30 degrees. That is the longitude difference. Then we find the time difference. Time difference simply means converting the longitude difference to hours. So we understand that 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. What about 30 degrees? 30 degrees are equal to 30 over 15 times 1. So we shall have 2 hours. 2 hours. The last step is to determine the time in town T. Yeah, in town T. So from the globe, this is the prime meridian. We have the prime meridian read 0. Then we have, let us say this is town T. Then town X. Town X. This is 45 and this is 15. So we are supposed to find the time in town T. What do we do? As we can see, X and T, which one is the east of the other? This is what helps us to understand whether we are going to add or subtract. The T is to the east of X. Okay, so from X to T you are going to the east. So it means you are going to add this time to find the time for T. So time for T will be 8 hours plus 2 hours. So this will be 10 a.m. or 10 hours. By doing so, you have calculated the time of T. We have our example for there. The question states the time in Nairobi, which is 45 degrees east, is 3 p.m. What is the time in Bamako, 30 degrees west? So this is very simple, very easy. So we are supposed to find the longitude difference first. We have to find first we have Nairobi, which is east, and Bamako, which is in the west. The longitude difference, we find it by adding 45 degrees by 30 degrees. So we shall have 75 degrees. That is the longitude difference. Then we have to find the time difference. Time difference, how do we get it? 15 degrees is equal to 1 hour. What about 75 degrees? So that's what we will do. We will do this 75 over 15 times 1 hour. 75. So by doing so, we will get, what is the time difference? The time difference will be 5 hours. 5 hours. After getting the time difference as 5 hours, the next thing is to determine the time in Bamako. The time in what? The time in Bamako. So from the globe, where we have the prime meridian at 0 degrees, Bamako is to the west of the prime meridian. Bamako, let us say Bamako is here. Bamako is here. Then Nairobi is to the east of the prime meridian. Nairobi is here, east. So they have said that the time in Nairobi is 3 p.m. So what is the time in Bamako? How do we get the time in Bamako? Now we say that places towards the west are behind in time. Since the places towards the west are behind in time, we have to subtract the time difference from the time in Nairobi. So time in Bamako will be 3 p.m. 3 p.m. is the same as 15 hours. So 3 p.m. is the same as 15 hours. So 15 hours minus 5 hours. What do we get? 15 hours minus 5 hours. So the time in Bamako will be 10 hours. Okay, do you have a question there? If you have a question, send it to our comment section and we will deal with it. We will deal with the question perpendicularly. Alright, now if you have understood that, I want to give you an assignment. This is our assignment. Now that is our assignment. Once you're done with the assignment, please send your answers to the comment section of the video. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please remember to click on the subscribe button and you will enjoy more and more videos coming. Thank you so much.